today I'm going to be packing my suitcase because we're flying to the East Coast!
Yes!
Washington, D.C. to be exact. Did you know that Washington, D.C. is our nation's capital?
Wow!
Yep! It's where the White House is, and the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial, and the African American Museum, and much, much more. Do you pack your own suitcase sometimes? Wanna help me pack my suitcase? Cool! Let's do it!
Okay, first I have to decide what suitcase to bring. Should I bring the blue one? Ooh, it's such a pretty color blue. And look, I have 4 Passport Poppy stickers on it. Or should I bring the black one?
Yeah.
Look at all the cool stickers on this suitcase. My mommy has the same suitcase, so her and I could match in the airport if I bring this one. Do you see all the cool stickers on here?
Yeah.
It's from some places that we've already been and some places that we're going to go soon. There's New York and Los Angeles. There's Hong Kong and Hawaii. So many cool places I can't wait to visit.
Wow!
And with you. Look at all the cool outfits my mom laid out for me. I have cowboy boots and a shirt with some hearts on it. I love my Converses. Look, I have a jacket with a bunch of colorful hearts because I love colors. And it has a matching hat. So cool! And a jacket with the letter P on it because P stands for Poppy. And look at my cool checkerboard pants. So neat. And a flower sweater. So cool. And look at my pink Crocs.
Nice.
I can't wait to put all of these outfits on. Which one is your favorite? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? I'm still learning how to fold perfect like my dad. Look at how neat my clothes are packed in my suitcase. And my shoes.
Wow!
Thanks, Dad. Now I need help deciding what book bag to bring on the plane. Should I bring my Cocoa Melon book bag? What about my Ladybug book bag? Or should I bring my Unicorn and Rainbow book bag? Oh, it's so hard to choose.
Yep. Uh-huh.
My Cocoa Melon bag has a really cool Starburst poppet right there. See it? And my Ladybug book bag has a really cool pizza poppet. See it right there? Oh, but I really love unicorns and rainbows. And my favorite color is pink. So I think I'm gonna take the pink book bag. Okay, now inside my book bag, I'm gonna pack my favorite blanket. Look, it even has my name on it. P-O-P-P-Y, Poppy. And of course, my favorite book, Passport Poppy at Home.
Cool.
And a coloring book. And can't forget the markers. Oh, they're going all over the place. A notebook so I can practice my writing. Can't forget my own snacks. I have some granola minis, gummy bears,
Yum!
Ritz crackers, which are super good, and of course, Oreos, my favorite.
Yummy, yum, yum!
In case you were wondering if it all fit, yep, look, I have my book in there with my coloring book and my notebook, my blanket with my name on it, my Oreos over there, my markers over there, and the rest of my snacks inside. Fits perfectly.
Oh, another cool reason that I put stickers on my suitcase is so that we can find them at baggage claim. Yep, so when my mommy has to check my suitcase and we go down to baggage claim, there's so many bags going around and around and around. And so many people have the same suitcase as me. So if I put some stickers on it, I can tell which suitcase is mine. Cool, right? Do you do the same thing?
Yep.
Nice! Okay, I'm all packed and ready for our trip. Thank you so much for helping me pack my suitcase and helping me pick out which book bag to bring on the plane. You're the best! Well, see you in Washington, D.C. Bye!
Ready for takeoff.
So grab your passport and travel along with me.